I just had to let you know you're.
Hi everyone, my name is Marshally Biisit and I am the video editor of our group. Our capstone title is AI Assisted Web-Based Catering Reservation and Recommendation System. And this is our final project presentation.
Good day everyone, my name is Michael B. Torrente and our research title is all about Cater AI development of an AI-assisted web-based catering reservation and recommendation system with event team preview for Mamburao Occidental, Mindoro. Our problem statement is number 1, absence of centralized automated booking portals. Local businesses rely heavily on manual scheduling notebooks or integrated social media messages. This approach frequently leads to overbooking, scheduling conflicts, and lost records. Number 2, the absence of an interactive visual layout and team preview mechanism causes significant misalignment between client aesthetic expectation and the actual setup. Number 3 is the structured payment processing system. Number 4 is the catering currently relies on manual fragment process for user and cater registration and appointment handling. This results is the long wait times, scheduling conflicts, and difficulty tracking real-time booking updates. Number 5 is the most catering services still depends on external messaging application, phone calls, or manual communication. These methods that can cause delayed responses, messages lost, misunderstanding, and difficulty on tracking customer concerns and reservation updates.
Hey everyone, my name is Carla Carpio and our general objective is to design and implement a fully functional, secure web application portal that automates reservation, lifecycle packages, and calendar schedules. Number 2, to develop a generative AI venue visualization tools utilizing stable diffusion models. These tools allow clients to upload a static photo of their local venue and apply textual theme props to generate a 2D decorate concept image, eliminating design misunderstandings. Number 3, to develop payment process is issued through a touch file receipt. Number 4, to develop an integrated booking, reservation, and user profile management model for centralized scheduling. And lastly, to develop a real-time message features that allow direct communication between admins and users regarding reservation, inquiries, schedule, and event concerns.
Hi, my name is John Poli Pontanilla, and our capstone project is AI assisted web-based catering reservation recommendation system. So, meron po kaming user roles. There are two main users, the caterer and the super admin. So, dito po sa caterer registration, a caterer can register, fill out their business profile, and upload a business permit. Pwede dito yung mga picture lang po ng permit ng nagki-cater. And dito naman po sa verification flow, once po na-submit ni caterer, the application instantly appears of the super admin dashboard for review. So, re-review po ni admin yung permit kung legit po yung permit niya. And dito po sa super admin dashboard namin, the super admin likes secure and single account. So kami po yung hawak nitong super admin na to, and kami po yung magre-review kung legit po yung business permit. And the caterer receives a real-time update about their application status, booking management. Once na-approve po, the caterer can access their dashboard services and accept bookings from customers. And sa security lang po, Only the designated superadmin email can access admin features and there is no public registration for super. Ipapresan nyo kung paano po gamitin po ang aming system. Dito po, if wala po tayong account, create account na po tayo dito. May talo po dito, si customer and the caterer. So, sa customer po, ang kailangan na po ay full name, email, and password. So, dito po sa caterer, business name po, and email, and password. Pagka-create po dito sa caterer, ito po yung makita natin yung business profile. So, kailangan po natin yung business information, yung business name, email, phone number, business address, business description. And dito po sa document, dito po natin i-upload yung business permit. Pagka-submit po natin dito, ay kailangan po pong confirm ni super admin yung permit. If okay po yung permit, if naka-register po talaga sila sa BIR. Mga tool naman po na namin nagagamitin ay Visual Studio Code. And doon naman po sa mga programming language and frameworks ay ito po ang mga gagamitin namin. Node.js. So our main backend framework, it handles API requests, authentication, business logic, and real-time features like notification and chats. PHP, used for backend scripts, especially for direct database management, legacy compatibility, and batch operation. Dito naman sa frontend, siguro po gamit kami ng React, HTML, CSS, and JS for the interface. And dito naman po sa database, gagamitin po siguro namin ay MySQL. Our primary database, it stores all users data, application, bookings, and business permits. MySQL is robust, relational, and works well with both PHP and Node.js. So sa APIs and external services naman po, email notification, we use Node.js or page email for sending emails to user about application status and other important updates. File storage, business permits are uploaded and stored either on the local server or in cloud storage service like discussion naman po, how backend interacts Node.js is the main backend handling most API requests, authentication, and real-time updates. PHP scripts are used for certain admin operation in direct database management. Both Node.js and PHP interact with the MySQL database. Node.js uses libraries like MySQL or SQLite for database queries. PHP use MySQL or PDO for database access, and APIs external services. Node.js handles sending emails by via Node mailer or triggers PHP mail script, and by uploads are handled by Node.js and stored either locally or in the cloud. Dito po sa server configuration, Node.js runs on its own port. Apache serves PHP scripts and static files and can reverse proxy API requests to Node.js. And that's all po.